A well-designed e-commerce website is essential for growing online sales. Partnering with Image Building Media can significantly enhance your online presence with their comprehensive e-commerce solutions, encompassing design, hosting, and maintenance. Creating an intuitive and user-friendly e-commerce website is vital for success. Image Building Media focuses on user-friendly interfaces and smooth navigation that enhances the customer journey from browsing to buying. A mobile-first design approach is crucial for catering to smartphone users. Image Building Media ensures your e-commerce site is responsive and accessible across all devices, providing a seamless shopping experience. Visually engaging designs help transform casual browsers into buyers. Image Building Media leverages professional photography and consistent branding to craft visually appealing and effective e-commerce sites. Conversion-oriented design involves using persuasive copy and strategic product placement. Image Building Media creates websites that not only look great, but also drive customer actions and increase conversion rates. E-commerce hosting needs to be fast and reliable. Image Building Media offers hosting solutions with excellent uptime, ensuring that your site is always available for your customers. Performance optimization is key to maintaining fast load times and a smooth user experience. Image Building Media uses advanced techniques to ensure your e-commerce site performs optimally. Scalability and flexibility in hosting are essential as your business grows. Image Building Media provides scalable cloud hosting solutions that adapt to increasing traffic and changing business needs. Maintaining strong security measures is crucial for e-commerce sites. Image Building Media integrates robust security protocols to protect your site from cyber threats and ensure customer data safety. Ongoing support and troubleshooting are part of the package. Image Building Media provides responsive customer service to handle any technical issues swiftly, ensuring minimal disruption to your business. Choosing Image Building Media means partnering with a team experienced in boosting online sales and customer engagement through innovative e-commerce solutions. Their commitment to customer satisfaction and innovation is evident in their personalized service and continual adoption of the latest technologies and trends. Goldenart.com e-commerce website saw significant improvements in traffic, retention, and sales after Image Building Media revamped their e-commerce site. Ready to boost your online business? Scheduling a consultation with Image Building Media is your first step towards a tailored e-commerce solution that meets your specific needs. To book your consultation, visit imagebuildingmedia.com or call directly to discuss solutions that transform your online sales.